The Addison Athletic Club opened to the public in 1987 and has served as a community gathering spot for the residents of Addison for more than 3 decades. As part of the 2019 bond election, Addison residents approved a proposition that would give the athletic club some needed cosmetic and functional upgrades. Improvements include a new roof, a fresh new entrance with changes to the front desk and lobby area, a new indoor hot tub with ADA access, UV sanitation systems for both the indoor and outdoor pools, as well as the addition of a shade structure for the outside pool. Updated locker rooms and showers to achieve a modern look and offer more privacy to residents, new flooring and railing for the indoor track, along with a sporty new Active Addison mural, and a host of other improvements like new furniture, flooring, and painting throughout the facility. Although the building will remain open to members, closures to parts of the club, including the main entrance, atrium, and fitness areas will be required periodically throughout the duration of the project. The locker rooms and restrooms will be closed for the entirety of the project. Climate-controlled portable restroom trailers that include full sinks and toilets are also ADA compliant will be placed in the club parking lot before the restrooms close. These trailers offer privacy for guests to change but will not have accommodations for showering. The project is slated to be complete at the end of July 2022. However, it is anticipated that the schedule may be extended if alternate bid items are awarded during construction or if unforeseen issues are identified. There are several ways you can stay updated on this project. Subscribe to email updates at addisontexas.net/clubrenovations. Text ClubReno to 888-777 for text updates, or you can follow the Addison Athletic Club Facebook page. We appreciate your patience throughout this project as we strive to enhance the experience at the Athletic Club and make Addison a great place to live and play.